Hey guys, in this video we'll learn how you can post photos and videos over on Threads. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Threads application on the device and simply log in with your account. Now, after logging in, you will be redirected to its timeline page of your account. The first thing you have to do is simply open up your device settings and then in the app section locate Threads app. Now just inside its permission section, see if the photos permission is enabled. If it isn't, then just enable it. Now just open up your Threads application again and tap over on pen and paper icon located in the middle of the bottom tray of icons and type in anything you want. Upload a picture or video and simply tap on paperclip icon and then select one. And after selecting one, post the thread and you're done. That's how you can post photos and videos over on Threads. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.